Joe's Coral Reef Tank. Today we have the first video in a series of videos we're going to do on building this new 100-gallon Miracles tank. It's sitting atop a custom 80/20 aluminum stand in an all-glass 50-gallon sump. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're putting in the bulkhead. You put that through there. Hold it from the front. Yeah. So it should come to a stop, right? So what we're going to try to do here is when we want it tight, we want this straight, so it goes all the way down the back. So we've got to find the point where it's sealed but tight. So back this out just a little bit. Right, and then we'll turn the bulkhead a little more, back it out a little more. A little more. There you go, nice and secure. Okay, so we're gonna put the Coral Reef Overflow on there. So what's our first step here, Christian?
To put these
The seals on the back. Okay, so now we've got the 3 return lines for the Coral Reef Overflow. The one in the center is going to be our primary drain under suction. One on the left, I believe, is the secondary drain, and then the one on the right is going to be our emergency drain. So grab that one. There you go. Okay. Okay, so we've installed the Synergy Reef Overflow. We've done return line. Okay, so now we're going to do the return pump. We're using a current efflux pump. If you look at my other videos, I did a review of this pump. I haven't used it yet. The fitting's a little loose here, so we put a zip tie on here just to add that snugness to it.
There.
Under the return line, then route it into this, into the